My name is Vaishnavi Sharma. Today we are going to make sprouts chaat. For making sprouts chaat, we need sprouts, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, some coriander leaves, chaat masala, salt and green chili. Let's start. First we have to take sprouts and add tomato in it. After that we will add onions. After that we will add green chili. And now we will add some coriander leaves. After that we will add salt. After that we will add chaat masala. And then we will mix it. Now our sprout chaat is ready. Now you can enjoy.